How to redeem a Roblox gift card. Hey guys, and let's get started. It is quite easy to redeem a gift card on your Roblox account. For this, first of all, open your Roblox application or go to the website roblox.com/redeem from your browser. Now, you will see a redeem card option on the top right corner. Tap on the redeem card button and it will take you to another page. Thereby, you have to provide your login credentials and create an account. Then you have to find your PIN code or the redeeming code and enter it to the code box on the website. After that, you can tap on the click redeem button and you're good to go. A success message will appear when you have successfully added the credit to your account. And this way, you can redeem and spend your gift card easily. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.